So here's the aftermath of Riika attempting to boil, there's the measuring cup that was in the microwave. She's trying to boil water with eggs in it. And it exploded behind her and she's like, ah, freaking out. I was like, Riika, eggs cook from the inside out and they explode.
You didn't say anything about exploding. I just want to boil one egg.
3 minutes. So if you ever try this, she did it for 3 minutes and with 8 seconds to go, it exploded, busted the door open, shot out the measuring cup on the ground, all this water and everything all over the stove.
Oh,
So,
I still don't have an egg.
lesson learned?
Lesson learned.